In this video, I'm going to be walking you through 4 methods for shooting B-roll on your iPhone. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I'm all about helping business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of their time. If you are looking to use video marketing in your strategy this year, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Too many people get caught up in the technical aspect of not having a good camera, and therefore that stops them from not shooting video. But the reality is, your iPhone is insanely good, and all you need is a couple techniques to get you started in storytelling so that you can just use whatever technology is available to you to create videos. This is gonna be a really fast video because honestly, it's not complicated. And I want you to take these methods and start implementing them ASAP. You could even implement them in your Insta Stories if you really wanted to. So with that, let's dive into the 4 methods. Tip number 1, slow movements. When you're shooting video, you're going to want to add some subtle, slow movements to your shot. So instead of standing there and just getting a still frame, move a little bit from left to right, or maybe push in on your subject a little bit, and these are going to make a significant difference in the output of your video. Tip number 2, variety of shots. When you're out shooting, make sure to capture wide, medium, and close-up shots. A lot of people, they'll only capture wide shots, and this can make for very boring footage. If you can get up close and personal to detail shots, even if it's just, say you're standing in a store and you get wide of the entire store, plus some details of each individual section of the store, is going to make for a lot better of a story than just having those wides. Tip number 3, variety of angles. This tip is very similar to tip number 2, but instead of getting a variety of shots, you're getting a variety of different angles. So you might get low on a subject, you might get high on a subject, you might even get above a subject, and that can make for a lot more interesting shots. Tip number 4 is shallow focus. The iPhone is actually getting a lot better at being able to capture shallow focus. So if you get really close to a subject and you tap it and focus on that subject and add a little slow movement into it, it's going to create a nice shallow focus even on your iPhone. And that can do wonders to upping the production quality of your video. Once you've mastered the art of shooting B-roll on your iPhone, you might want to step up your game and get a better camera, or just grab some cameras from some friends. So maybe you get some GoPros, maybe your friend has a drone or anything like that. If that is of interest to you, then there's a video that I've already shot on how to shoot a video on the fly that talks about incorporating several different mediums into one video. So go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you over there.